Today we're going to do some more tutorials. I'm going to show you how to take the split effect and make it look like an animal is making a noise, make a cat meow. So this is what we call the split cat meow tutorial. If you look into your split cat meow folder, you can see that you have several files in here already, and I've prepared the files to make sure that you'll be able to do everything you need to. So truly it will be easy. We've got the file that's called split cat PSD. As you can see, it's already preset. We've got the original cat file. We've got the original ground plane file. There's the inside of a cat's mouth that I drew so that you can put it behind the cat so it doesn't look like the cat has a big hole in his head. And then there's the sound effect that comes out of the folder that we have in the classroom. So those are the files that you get in the split cat folder. So open up your tutorials, and the last thing we did was the aerating diver with Diver Dan, and I have taken the sound out, but here's the Diver Dan. So if you have sound in your file, don't worry, it doesn't matter if it overlays, but basically this is the last thing we were doing, and we're going to put everything together in one complete video at the end, and we will put the sound on that video. So it's okay if it overlays it. I don't mind if you've got two sets of bubbles going, but just so you know, that's what we're going to do. So now that you have this open, now you're going to import the files that you need for this part. So right-click in the project window and import file. So let's import the, gotta get back to the desktop here. Import the sound file first, because you don't have to do anything to the sound file really. And now let's import the cat mouth, and we'll import the cat mouth as footage because we're not going to use the layers. So we'll just open that and change this to say footage and say OK. Right click, import, and now we want to import the split cat PSD, but this one we do want to import as composition retain layer sizes. Composition retain layer sizes, OK. And now we want to double click on the comp in the project window to open it in the timeline. And here it is. The meow is a PSD layer, but it was text in Photoshop. Now, there was a problem last semester where it didn't have the same fonts as I do at home, but if that's a problem, we'll just change the font right now once we have it turned into text. So let's go ahead and change it into text right now just to get it out of the way. So we want to go to Create, Convert to Editable Text, and there it is. Make sure to save.